Sweet.
Sweet.
The cake is sweet. Sour.
Sour.
Lemons are sour. Salty.
Salty.
These chips are salty. Bitter.
Bitter.
This coffee is bitter. Spicy.
Spicy.
I don't like spicy food. Tasty.
Tasty.
This soup is tasty. Delicious.
Delicious.
Dinner was delicious. Yummy.
Yummy.
That ice cream is yummy. Gross.
Gross.
The food looks gross. Smelly.
Smelly.
Your socks are smelly. Fresh.
Fresh.
I love fresh bread. Rotten.
Rotten.
The fruit is rotten. Hot.
Hot.
The soup is still hot. Cold.
Cold.
My coffee is cold now. Greasy.
Greasy.
These fries are too greasy. Juicy.
Juicy.
The orange is juicy. Crunchy.
Crunchy.
I like crunchy apples. Dry.
Dry.
The meat is dry. Burnt.
Burnt.
The toast is burnt. Flavored.
Flavored.
This water is lemon flavored.